Should the government pay energy credits in the upcoming budget next month? That's a big question these days, especially as we've had 4 energy companies increase their prices this year. Some of these increases are going to see people having to pay an extra €200 a year. But the government has set its face against paying new energy credits. We've had minister after minister, including the Taoiseach and the Taoiseach, say that the government can't afford to pay energy credits this year, despite the fact that we got them for 3 years in a row, and between those 3 years that it totaled around €1,500. But a new survey is out, and it's very interesting because people are saying energy credits and a continuation of the VAT cut on our energy bills is a big priority for people ahead of the budget. Now, this was research that was carried out by Amórach for Rockwood Public Affairs, a PR company. And it found that 57% of people rank retaining the energy credits and extending the VAT reductions in next month's budget as their top priority. So this is just going to pile pressure on the government, and people will be demanding some kind of a energy credit be paid. But there are some indications that they may pay a small one. €80 is being knocked about as a figure. So it's possible there could be a small energy credit, but it's unlikely to be enough, given that we've had Bord Gáis, Energia, Flowgas, and earlier in the year, SSE Electricity, all increasing their energy prices this year. So it's going to be a tough winter for people, especially if the government doesn't do what people want and doesn't pay any energy credits.